Hello everyone, my name is Komal Kailas Suryavanshi. So today's our topic is features of Java. So we discuss features of Java. Firstly, we discuss about Java language. So Java language is a object oriented language, simple language and high level language. So it can be run on multiple platform. So basically Java is the most secure, portable and high performance language. Other than many features are in Java. So we discuss one by one. So first we discuss about simple, that is first simple feature. Java is a simple language and it is easy to understand, easy to run, and it can be run on other devices also. That is why Java is a simple language. Then we discuss about object oriented. Java is an object-oriented language and it can be run on multiple platforms. In Java object-oriented language, that is OOPS concept is very important. In OOPS concept, there are four steps are important: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. Then we discuss about platform independent. Java is a platform independent language because of it can be run on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, MacOS, etc. Then we discuss about secured. Secured is Java is the most secure language. It because it develops virus free system in in also in Java is secured because it's explicit pointer. There is no pointer in Java language, explicit pointer. That's why Java is the most secure language. Then we discussed about robust. The English meaning of robust word is strong. It uses strong memory management. Then we discuss about portable. Java is a portable because it facilitates to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It doesn't require any implementation. It can be portable in any other devices also. That's why Java is a portable language and it is a important features in Java, and also a secure features is important. Then we discuss about high performance. Java is a high performance, is faster than traditional interpreted other languages. It can be run fast and implement very instantly. That's why, and it's Java bytecode close to native code. That's why it is high performance language. Then we discuss about multi-threaded. Java is a multi-threaded language. Currently, main advantage of multi-threading, it does not occupy memory for each thread. It's common memory area and important for the multimedia web application. That's why, because today's memory areas is most important. In less memory we want to store more data. That's why multi-threading is most important in Java language. Then we discuss about dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. Dynamic loading of classes, it means classes demand. It also supports functions from its native languages like C and C++. Java supports dynamic compilation and automation memory management system, that is garbage collection. So this is all about features of Java. Thank you so much.